Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, me and Mike, we've already been out here getting it today, guys. I've already got 3 stumps up with Uber, and one of them is massive. I will show y'all at the end of this video, give y'all a little sneak peek of what's going on the mountain today. And when I say massive, guys, I mean massive. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the lift, bring it over here, and see about hooking up the box blade to it. I've never hooked up to it, so I have no idea how this is about to go, but it should work fine, I believe, because we're going to get the box blade on here. Because right now I've got an area big enough already with stumps up that Mike can actually start using lift and start using the box blade and start leveling out the ground around me.
That's right.
Make it a little bit less of a bull ride for me as I'm driving through there, because right now, boy, look at here, shaking my booyah off this morning. But we got Midnight and Ryder out here hanging out, enjoying this beautiful day, guys. It is absolutely stunning today. It feels good. It's not hot. It's sunshine with a nice cool breeze. Yeah, whole lot of good stuff going on the mountain today. I'm going to hand you over to Mike. I'm going to go ahead and jump on old lift, get her backed up, and we'll see how it is.
Yeah. It's a big moment for us, guys. It's a big moment for me also, because the quicker we get these stumps up, the quicker we can get on down to Dreamer's Landing. And getting lift hooked up to these 3-point attachments, that's also going to be awesome. I haven't got to run a tractor in a while, and to be able to get back on it and get back in the groove of things. You guys know how much I love to drive Uber anyway, so driving lift I'm sure ain't going to be much different. Look at it, he's already cranked up and almost crunk up ready. You sure do look a lot bigger on lift.
A little bit.
Whoop. He's fired up, guys. Uh-oh, the attachment. Yeah, this is the new part that we bought for lift. Bought it up at Tractor Supply. This should be I think it's the top link that goes down to the 3-point attachments. Since it's already equipped with the 2 side pieces, we just had to grab this top one and it should be ready to go. I'm pretty sure his plan is going to be to back up right there on the box blade, and then we'll be able to get her hooked up from there, guys. Big day! Come on back, come on back. I think he's still trying to figure out the gears. I do believe this is like a 10-speed. It's got 8 forward gears and 2 reverse gears. And when you put it in reverse and you give it the throttle, it kind of wants to roll forward first a little bit. Or so I'm told. He's still trying to figure it out. Just like any new toy, you got to play with it to figure it out. This thing didn't come with a manual, that's for sure. The old Titan implement. Oh, how about I can't even read? Come on, you can do it. we had this same kind of issue getting the tractor off of the trailer, actually, when we came back from 3 Mississippi. Put the attachment down. Yeah, so when we came back from 3 Mississippi, we arrived, and when we pulled the tractor off of the trailer itself, it did the same thing. It kind of wanted to go frontwards a little bit and it didn't want to go in reverse, but after a little while, he figured it out. Eclipse had a blast. I don't know if you guys seen Eclipse. Eclipse had a blast yesterday hanging out with my boys. Odin and Halo were jumping all over the place after a while, but when they first got there, they were so overwhelmed by Eclipse's excitement. She was so happy to be hanging out with the boys, and we loved seeing her over there. I'm not sure if we're gonna get this thing backed up or not. And also, sorry if the tractor is a little loud, guys. Normally, when we post a video, we can, you know, bring that volume down a little bit on some of the heavy equipment and the saws and whatnot. But since we're coming to you guys from the Keeping It Real channel, it is unedited, and so we're not going on there to turn any volume down. You're getting it as it is. And as we are right now, we're not in reverse. Oh, there he is. There he goes. Just as I was giving him a hard time. Attachment line up. I'm not sure if he wants me to help him or not. I'm sure he's got it. Okay, going down. I see what's happening. Pins right there. Just about the point where I started to poke fun, you backed it on up.
Well, the problem is something's going on with the reverse here. I was in all 3 gears. I kept having to shift through, shift up, shift through, shift up. And then finally it kind of got into reverse, and that was actually reverse 3. That's why I was trying to bog so hard whenever I was actually doing it. So definitely something that I'm gonna have to take a look at and find out what's going on. So kind of remember that when you're over there in the hole or whatever, just kind of do loops instead of a lot of backing up for now.
Right.
She's definitely smaller than Uber.
It was cool to watch the side attachments go down though.
Yeah. Let's see here.
This is a semi-working Keeping It Real.
Yes, it is. I don't know, from my perspective, it's working. Alright guys, we're going to have to put y'all down for a second, because I'm going to need Mike's help on this. I'm going to have to lift this up and level it up.
I figured that you guys, or I figured I would have to help you. Do you want me to pause it, or do you want me just to put it down?
put it up there. My phone doesn't do pause.
Oh, okay.
Just put it right down there on the ground.
Gotcha, gotcha. All right, guys. Hang on one second. We will be back.
Basically, it needs to go up. Probably on this side right here.
All right.
Come over here. Just lift up right here. Alright, let's switch. I lift, you put the board. Ready?
Yep.
Get it up.
Come on, the tooth.
Woo! Loud.
Yeah, there wasn't no way I was lifting that up.
Alright. I'm thinking we're going to need to get up underneath there with it standing up on its side.
Oh, the block?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready? Watch your fingers.
Yep.
1, 2.
Yep.
You went too far back, towards the front.
Oh, okay.
And put the crooked in on the dirt.
Like up here?
One side's crooked, one side's flat.
Right.
Hold on. I gotta move. Ready?
Put the crooked side in the dirt.
Crooked side.
All right. Yep.
There we go.
All right.
I'm thinking.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to move this whole thing forward. Unless I get lucky and it goes in reverse.
And we might have to adjust this other one over here and swing it before you back it up.
Move in.
Okay.
So when I back up, I want you to pin it
Okay.
on each side.
All right, I'm definitely gonna have to put the phone back down. All right, guys, we're gonna put you back down for a sec. Sorry about that, guys. We got it pinned up though. Check it out. Got the pins.
Woohoo! Yeah, that went about like I thought it was going to go on the first time. But now I know I need to block it up whenever I take this box blade off and kind of level it out. It'll make life a little bit easier.
Yep.
It's tricky with that reverse not working. I mean, when I just backed up again, that was in second reverse. So, it's a little, you definitely got to watch your fingers. There's no doubt about that. This, basically, is going to go right here. I have to extend it out. Ryder, what you doing?
Ryder, you making sure everything is going according to plan?
Alright, you go ahead and get this close with one hand. I gotta go get some pins. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Talk to the people.
Talk to them. Let them know. Let them know. So basically this is, I'm not sure which one of these we're going to get attached to. It's going to be the top or the bottom, according to what it's looking like. And then we're going to go back here, throw a pin in the back as well, if we can ever get it to adjust properly. And then we're going to be up and down, side to side. It's pretty close as it is right now. And there's really no point in trying to swivel it back and forth in any other direction without a pin. So we will wait on him to get back with that pin. And in the meantime, we're going to sit here and daydream about the work we're going to get done. Because I'm excited, guys. I know a lot of people dread having to work, but I'm excited to get to work. Be able to ride this tractor around, tilling up some ground, ripping up some rocks, getting them ready. Man, big boy gardening plans coming up soon. Can't wait to rip into the earth and get some plants growing. It's going to be great. I knew that wouldn't take him too long. He's got a whole bag of pins, guys. If we lose one, we got a backup. It's pretty close right now. We really just need a pin to put it in. I wasn't sure if it was going to be in the middle or in the bottom. About like I figured, we could put a pin in the top and adjust the back.
This makes me happy. Very, very happy.
I can't wait to be able to rip into some land.
Come and see.
Pin and key.
Too big a pin. I need a smaller pin.
Oh, the smaller pin.
Key will work.
Let's see. Ah, little stubby guy.
Yes. Just like so. Just like so. Will it fit? Don't tell me it's too. Hold on.
Is it too short?
I've never heard that before.
Yeah.
The pin is just too thick.
Oh, all right.
Hand me the bag. Now what I can do to get me by for now, here in the later on, I can grind down part of this and it'll fit in there nice and tight.
Oh, yep.
But I do have other pins right now. Let me go grab one. That will get us going for today.
Pin it up. Pin it up. I was going to say maybe we could beat on it a little bit, but looks like it's tight. I was going to say, you know, bang on it a little bit, but as we can see here, it's already tied up against it. And, yep, I see. Shave it on down a little. Maybe if we could focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, we shaved that on down a little. It'll slide right into the hole. Man, The whole Ford looking sexy with the Titan.
Come on with the red, white, and blue.
The red, the red, the white, and the blue.
And this tractor's got it all together. It's red, white, and blue.
Oh, it sure is. I didn't even realize that.
Yep.
Red, white, and a blue.
America. See, I got all kinds of these kind of pins, guys. When you have heavy equipment, like this one right here is too big too. So we're going to use a little smaller one. Slide that joker right in there. Oh, it is so close.
And we might have to shave it down, huh?
I think we'll get it.
Yeah.
I think we'll get it.
Ain't gonna be no squeezing those.
I just need a hammer.
If it doesn't fit, get a bigger hammer. That's what they say. Man, you guys hear the goats back there? Bah, bah. Those goats are getting fat. Fat and happy, guys. Let's go over there and surprise the goats. Drop in on them while Uncle David's looking for a different key. Chanel. Chanel. Tell us all about it. Tell us all about it. Hi, Chanel. Chief. Icy. Oh, the tractor? Yeah, we got the big tractor coming up. Might be able to catch a peek of it when it comes around this big tree. That's our neighbor, guys. And keep looking right in between that tree, that clearing. We're gonna see a big John Deere. Nope. Couldn't really see him as much as I wanted to. He called Uncle David earlier and let him know that, hey, I'm gonna be coming up and down the road probably 6 or 7 times a day. Said something about, I don't know, bringing something to his cows.
They were bringing chicken litter.
Chicken litter.
Shavings and stuff that's in these chicken farms around here. There's one down the street and they put it in big old trailers. And they take it down there on the tractor with a big old manure spreader and spread it all over the fields for their hay.
Ah. Man, talk about learning something every day.
Learn something up on Come On Mountain. Alright, just like I thought, you just beat it. And that worked, did the trick. Don't have my knife on me. I should be ashamed. But it is what it is.
And that's our tightening tool.
Yep. Don't really understand how they got all that on both sides, but we'll make it work. Oh. Well, that ain't good.
I think you're loosening it now, huh?
I am. We did not tighten this one.
Oh.
We loosened this one first, just one side, so it's got it all messed up.
Oh.
So Houston, we got a problem. I'm new. I don't know what to do.
I was just about to say that.
Let's check it right here. Oh.
Toit like a tiger. Man, look at that grass growing, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Pretty soon, guys, we won't be able to see the building no more. The grass will just grow above the cabin.
Soon.
There we go. Oh, come on. snip snap.
Patty whack.
Okay.
That's close right now for government work.
And that little piece at the end down there locks it in, that little metal sleeve
What sleeve?
right here.
Yes. Basically, hand me the hammer. There you go.
Now all that's left is to see her in action.
Yep. Let's see how she did it.
I'm sure he's gonna have to show me the levers, you know, up and down, back and forth, whatnot, get everything rolling, but it shouldn't be too hard to do.
Well, who's gonna show me?
Oh no! Our cousin Google, if we have to, huh?
Because I'm a Google ninja.
A Google ninja.
I'm a Google ninja.
I've heard you've become quite the ninja actually here lately.
I am quite the ninja, I must say.
Man. Built up like 9 ninjas, I heard. Crank old lift up. Woo! There it is. We're about to get it, guys. We are about to get right back at it. I think he's gonna show you the big stumps that he's got ripped up. Oh, he's lowering it down. Check this out. We're hooking roots. We're hooking roots. I guess that's all part of the plan, really. We're gonna get this thing around a couple of passes and see how good it does. I'm trying to keep the camera off of the big root system that he just pulled up. I know he wanted to show you guys that. Oh yeah, it's working out nicely. Yeah, so right behind you guys, actually, right behind you, is the giant root system that he pulled up earlier. You guys are going to be amazed at how big this root system was. It took him a while to get this one up. Did a lot of back and forth on different angles of the root. Like he would attack it from over here and then come back on the other side and attack it from that way. Man, wait till you guys see this. Woo. Wait till I trip over all these rocks. reverse high, you can hear the tractor starting to bog down.
Well, come on. We're gonna do some fine tuning and adjustment back here so it pulls nice and smooth. But as you can see, that pass right there wasn't too bad. That last one. Did you show them the big old stump?
No, I didn't show him. I know you wanted to show him at the end, so I figured I'd let you do the honors.
Yeah. This one right here is the one that we just dug up.
Here we go. Bam! Look at that.
And it is a big old sucker, guys.
Holy crap. Look at that in reference, y'all. It is a massive stump. The stump ninja. Yeah.
Come on!
Dang.
This right here is a big old joker. I had to flip it out of the hole. I'm not going to try to pick that up with the grapple. I'm just going to push it off into the wood so it can dry out and lighten up some. Because this right here is one big old sucker. Well, this right here, guys, was a completely different. Come on, keeping it real. But we definitely kept it real. You've seen all the struggles that we've had this morning getting the box blade hooked up on the tractor over there. But it is hooked up and it is about to start working. But I hope everybody has a great start to your week. It is Monday, another day closer to our goals. So let's go get it, guys. So until we see each other again, come on. Hey, keep it real.